Okay, we're back again doing Advent of Code in Guile scheme. I'm a little bit behind the times. It's currently the 4th of December and we're only on problem 2. But that's alright, we'll just go at our own pace. I started this problem just then and all I did was read the statement and download the file before I realized I wasn't getting any audio. So all I did was read the problem statement, which is we get a list of numbers, right? Or rather a list of numbers. So each line is one report and we just get a bunch of reports. And we want to figure out if a report is safe or not. And a report is safe if they're either all increasing or all decreasing. And any two adjacent levels differ by at least 1 and at most 3. So the way that they phrase this here is, where is it? The reactor safety systems can only tolerate levels that are either gradually increasing or gradually decreasing. So basically we have to figure out if these lines are safe and then just count how many reports are safe. So this is our input. This is our code from yesterday, which I've just copied to 2.scm. So we can make this count. This can just disappear entirely. Display. And this can disappear entirely for now. Okay, and what we're going to do is probably just, we don't need 2 of these, we just need to accumulate our input. And I think I am going to stick with the pass and then process, so I'll read it all in and then process it. There's not really a good reason to do that, just because I can. But maybe we'll get some harder problems with bigger input and we need to think about performance rather than what we were doing last time, which is, you know, we went through the whole list like 5 or 6 times when we just needed to do it once. But that's fine. It doesn't really matter right now. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to call that list. That'll be list. Okay. Yeah, and then we're going to need to tokenize this, not by digit, but by space, like that. I can, but we don't need this and we don't need that because all we need is the whole thing. And in fact, I think we can get away with this and then get rid of that. Oh, that's right. I forgot. It turns out VI is the best one. I forgot to set up my my editor. Okay, this looks absolutely hideous, but that's fine. You get used to it. And this is not quite right because we want to cons this with list. Okay, so we can pass the input. All right, brilliant. And then, so what we're going to do is we're going to go length of filter safe from ls, I think. So we're going to filter all the reports that are safe and then just get the length of them. That seems reasonable. Okay, I guess we need to do that. So I guess we can define safe and then we want a report, I guess. Okay, Now we need to do two things. We need to know the difference between them. You know, I'm actually going to do it in I don't know if this is slightly more typical scheme style or not, but I'm going to do it by writing smaller helper functions. So we're going to say and gradual report. Monotonic is the word. We'll just use it. Monotonic report. Right? So if both of those things are true, then we're good. In here, I think it's the case that Scheme has special syntax for a define at the top. Like it just automatically defines like it'll just automatically translate this into a let where you have a function here where like, so define gradual report to be some stuff. That'll just do let gradual be lambda report some stuff. I think. My memory's a bit hazy. I think that's in the standard. We will quickly try and check that. R6RS standard. It might be quicker just to Google the thing that I'm actually looking for. Variables and bindings, maybe? Yes, we got the let, we got this. The thing I want to know is if that's standard scheme or if it's an extension. But I don't think I want to know it badly enough to keep reading. At least not right now. Okay, so a report is gradual if... so really I want to get a sliding window. So... Scheme sliding window from a list. We may have to do it ourselves. Scheme request for implementation. There may be one. Immutable list library. Possible. I don't like that it doesn't have sliding window in it. I wonder if Google will have a better job with that. This is not looking promising. Possibly selectors. It's not really a fold. Like it kind of is, but not really. Oh, selectors. Yeah, I doubt it. Pair fold. Oh, okay. What is this? This is one of the SRFIs. Miscellaneous? The I is for immutable, I guess. Yeah, it's a shame because it's pretty useful. Okay, what's the easiest way of doing this? We can just have like a loop counter. As long as there are 2 elements left, we just take the current one and the next one. Yeah, I mean, that's an easy way of doing it, I guess. All right, sure. So define gradual. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a loop over remaining, which is going to start equal to report. And then what we're going to do is there are two cases. Right. So the thing is, we kind of want to map the sliding windows over the list. So all, and then we want to map like this function. So, okay, all map sliding report like that. Okay, and then here we're going to define sliding. No, it's not just a map. That's not quite right. Because we want to do an enumeration. I wonder if that's a thing. So, Guile scheme enumeration over list. Because we want the index as well so we can get the next element. Enum's not what I want, but we'll take a look. I should bust out the standard library again. Should see what's in here. List utilities, I guess so. For all. Isn't there just an all? Maybe not. Yeah, okay, it looks like we're gonna have to do it ourselves. That's not a big deal. It's not that hard. Yeah, okay, looks like we'll have to do it ourselves. All right, okay. So what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to generate, well, yeah, that's the thing. So we want less than what? Okay, what's our maximum again? At most 3. So we're gonna have two functions here. We're gonna so this is for gradual. So we'll have define safe window to safe pair, and that's true if it's getting really nested. I don't think I like this style, but we're gonna continue with it just to try it out. So we're gonna go x is we'll probably need a let star. X is the first one in the pair, and then y is the second one in the pair, and then we'll say it's safe if, oh right, hang on, and then we want diff is the absolute value of minus xy. We can do that one inline, that's fine. And then we'll say it's safe if both less than diff 4, well, it's actually phrased as less than or equal diff 3, so we'll do the same thing. And greater than 1, at least 1. Greater than or equal to 1 diff. Okay, so that's what it means to be safe.